Why you need GEGEDA Paracord. GEGEDA Paracord's quality is trusted by military forces and outdoor enthusiasts around the world. Our superior quality means superior performance, high quality. This paracord diameter is 5/32 with a 9-strand inner core. Each strand have 3 yarns. Because of high standards of quality, GEGEDA Paracord has a static strength rating of 550 pounds. The perfect cordage. GEGEDA 550 Paracord is the perfect utility cord for home and auto emergency kits, camping, hunting, survival kits, disaster prep, bug-out bags, and crafting projects. Multi-purpose, GEGEDA parachute rope is perfect for making paracord projects like bracelets, lanyards, necklaces, or paracord coasters or cozies, self-defense tools, wrapping hatchets, knives, or tools. It's great to have at the lake, on your boat, for Boy Scout and Girl Scout troops, and much more. Lifetime warranty. To provide better shopping experience and because of the high confidence on our GEGEDA Paracord, we offer unconditional return and exchange with each order. You can contact us with any problem on any time. Not only ensuring your trip safer and more convenient but also making your life more colorful. This is the mission of GEGEDA.